Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Vechain chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $0.0193 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas lies between the $0.02391 mark and the $0.01934 mark, which is a target area that I have marked here on the chart using this blue target area, which at the time of this recording is a target area that we have almost fully maximized, and there are chances that we might have now seen the low for these higher Elliot wave count 2, and very soon we are going to start another bounce to the upper side in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Vechain chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there at around the $0.015 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in red having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.3291 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side, and after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected here on the short-term scenarios was a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is the target area that lies between the $0.02397 mark and the $0.01906 mark, which is the target area that I have marked here on the chart using this blue target area. And it is within this blue target area that I'm expecting to see a reversal to the upper side, and that is after fully maximizing our target area. We have also seen a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had been trading within, which is this descending channel, which gave us a breakout to the lower side. And since we are holding above a key area of support at around the $0.0193 mark, there are chances that Vechain might continue holding above that key area of support, find support, and start a reversal to the upper side in what could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And the moment we manage to break above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up, then there are chances of getting to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.02436 mark. And in case that move to the upper side continues and we manage to break above these highs that we have over here, then there are chances that that could be the start of that impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And assuming that Vechain is not going to give us one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of the first wave, then dragging the fibs to the low that we have at the moment in the formation of this wave 2, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04782 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. But in case the breakdown continues, then we need to continue watching keenly the lower side of these target area down here, which is the fib level 0.78, and in case the breakdown continues and we lose the fib level 0.78, then we need to continue watching the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.88, and also our next key area of support at around the $0.01947 mark. And in case we lose the fib level 0.78 and also our key area of support, then there are chances of continuing to see a breakdown to the lower side in what could be challenging the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. Continue watching the fib level 0.78 and also our key area of support at around the $0.0193 mark here on the Vechain chart. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, we can first take a look at the indicators, where on the RSI you can see we are trading at around the 25 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 starts, but in case the breakdown continues, that movement will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a sharp decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that there are chances that soon we might be able to print a bullish cross and fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And jumping to the daily chart for further analysis and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliot wave structures. Here on the daily chart, you can see that Vechain, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.29 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.015 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.46277 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do here on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.